You ever been stuck making a decision and you're like in paralysis? I know certain personality styles have this more than others, but it's like I have to make a decision and I just don't know what to do because I don't want to make the wrong decision. Maybe also you've been fraught with that thing called decision fatigue. Like you've made so many decisions. They actually said the average person makes 35,000 decisions in a day, and hundreds of those are just food related. So, decision fatigue is actually real, and I want to help you by giving you some tools to help make better decisions. One of those is defining the problem right out of the chute. Sometimes you've been in a meeting, maybe like I have, and you start solving something, and it's like, are we talking about the same thing? I don't think we are. And then until someone actually defines the problem, then it's like, oh, okay, it's that thing. Yes, all right, now let's brainstorm on that one. So that'd be an example right out of the chute. Another one is having decision filters. Like in order to make a decision, your mind just might go blank. So you might have to have a little prompt that says, so does this go along with my values? Or do I feel like this is in opposition of my values? Is there something in my body sort of screaming at me like, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it? That's probably a sign of your body trying to tell you, like, you feel backed into a corner on this one. Don't hit the go button. Maybe it's like, do I have enough resources or staff or budget in order to be able to pull this off? And it's like, but I don't. So that's going to be an easy no. All these different filters are going to help you decide what to say yes to and what to say no to avoid that decision paralysis.